Don't memorize English. Speak about what you see. Today, let's take a room tour in English.
Hello, my wonderful viewers. Today I'm going to show you my room and describe the things in it. Let's begin. First, I will show you a seven horses picture. Many people believe that it brings good luck, success, and positive positive energy. I like it keeping in my room because it gives me positive energy and motivates me every day. And next one is I'm going to show you the table fan. It keeps my room fresh and comfortable, especially during hot weather. And there are two doors in my room. I will show you. This is the main door, and the other one is inner door. I usually keep the inner door open so that fresh air can come in. And let me show you two windows in my room. Here. Now I'm going to open the curtain. Here you can see the one window, and there is another window. There is another window. And there is a long tube light. And there is a long tube light and four small ceiling lights. They make my room bright even at night.
These are walls. Two walls are color painted sandal colors, and the other two are peach color. Now let me show you my cupboard. This is my cupboard. I keep clothes, books, and all important things in it. And next to the cupboard there is a small mirror, and the top of the cupboard there is a storage space where I keep all my things in it. Then this is my whiteboard. I write on it and teach my students. And this is my chair. I can sit comfortably while teaching. This is a marker, and this is my glasses case. Finally, I will show you. Finally, this is a tripod. I use it to record videos and upload them on YouTube. Now it's your turn. Try describing the room in English and comment below. I described my room in English. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.